Hey, y'all. I'm back with the curls. So let's get into this transformation, shall we? What's up, family? Tide and Natural here. If you're new here, welcome to the channel and thanks for being here. On this channel, we talk about protective styling, hair tips, and just how to grow your hair healthy. So if you are into any of those topics, you should smash that subscribe button below and that bell icon so you won't miss any more videos, okay? And today we are getting into this twist out. So if you went a week without doing your hair or washing your hair, I just did, sis. I was under the weather and I couldn't make it to wash my hair because I get sick every time I wash my hair. I don't know why. And I was already sick. So I'm like, I'm not going to do that. So I had to add moisture back into my hair, right? Well, we can't be having no dry and brittle hair and then it breaks off on us. I didn't work this hard, you know? So with that being said, I took it upon myself to add moisture back into my hair. And then I twisted it up. And wham, this is what came through for your girl. So stay tuned because we jumping into this video right now. All right? Okay, guys, so I ran my booty in here and I forgot to bring my dang light. So it is a little dim just for a sec. Bam. Now, got the light back, y'all. We on and popping. And I just sprayed my section with some water. Now we are going to take our Mielles Rice Water Moisturizing Milk. And I'm just going to smooth that through that section. And then I'm going to seal that in with my Karma Babes Growth Cocktail Oil. And this oil has a light smell, not heavy at all. Next, we are going in with our gel. And I will leave all the products that I use down in the description box. And now I'm just using that gel to smooth down that section. Now, the purpose of the gel is to keep my hair from becoming frizzy once I take down the twist. After you smooth the gel in, you want to just go through the section with the brush just to make sure that everything is evenly distributed. And then you want to start your 2-strand or 3-strand twist. Now for the remaining of the hairstyle, I did 2-strand twists, but I did start off with a 3-strand twist because your girl got a little bit ahead of herself. You know, I thought I had the strength and capability to get that done that day. But, you know, I wasn't quite over my cold. So your girl just did not have the energy to quite, put those 3-strand twists together. Because I struggled on that first one, y'all. I don't know if y'all noticed it because I speeded up the video a little bit, but I was struggling. I'm not going to lie to you. So I was like, you know what? We going to be here all day if I try to do these 3-strand twists. So I'm going to go back to 2-strand twists. So I won't be here all day. So that's what you see me doing now. And if y'all wondering what is wrong with my eyeballs, y'all, I am glued to this dang on crazy film that my husband got on. I don't know. I forgot what movie it is, but he has something on there, y'all. My eyeballs act like they just would not leave the screen. So forgive me for not making much eye contact with the camera, but whatever was on that dang screen was crazy. I could not stop looking at it. So I just wanted to point that out there. Don't mind my lips. I'm going to be looking like a little kid with her lip poked out. Like I'm mad at the world, but I am totally fine. I think whatever was on that screen just had me, making faces. So don't mind me, y'all. Y'all know it's Halloween. And those crazy movies are on. So that's why I'm making all these faces, because stuff was just happening that was just crazy. And I'm like, oh my goodness, what are you watching? So I'm going to let you guys enjoy the last few twists that I'm going to do on this side. And then once I have the whole head completed, I will slide back in. Hey guys, so it has been 3 days and my hair is completely dry. Yay. I think this was the one twist that I actually did the 3-strand twist on, and then I just did 2-strand on the other one. I'm not gonna lie, y'all. I'm under the weather, and you know, when you're under the weather, you just don't be feeling like doing a whole bunch of work. And I have to pat myself on the back because I could have just been lazy and not even added moisture back into my hair. But I have to lead by example and show you guys that you have to, you know, take care of your hair because it's not going to take care of itself. So I have added some sweet almond oil to my hands. We're not going to use this oil. I mean, I've used it, but I'm actually going to use my Karma Babes, which is Karma Paradise. So if you guys have a IG, she is on IG and she will get you right. Let me grab my oil and I will be right back.
Lining busting out of?
I did not wear down.
Look at that. How's the band coming out?
Bro, them yours, man.
Yeah, but you wore them.
No, I haven't.
Just split open like that.
I have not. Get the fuck out of here. Hey guys, so it has been 3 days and my hair is completely dry.
It sure
Hey,
is.
you want to be quiet down over there?
It sure is dry, girl. Look at that shit.
So it has been dry for 3 days because I just wanted to make sure that my twist set really good. And we're going to take my Karma Babes oil, and that's what we're going to rub our hands with. This is a black-owned oil, black-owned business called Karma's Paradise. And y'all, she got her own nails, y'all. So if y'all into the nails, as y'all can see, I'm not really into the nails. I don't wear them. But if y'all into the nails, she got you. And she even do customized designs. So, you heard it. So, I just rub this on my fingers and my palms of my hand. And you just want to rub it across your twist like this. Or if you had a braid, or if you had braids, you could do the braids the same way. And make sure that your hair is nice and moisturized. I did spray my hair with a little bit of water and aloe vera juice earlier. And then I sealed in the moisture with some oil. So that's very important so your hair is not dry. So I'm going to start taking down the rest of the twist and I'm going to speed up the video. Okay, so I've taken down all the twists. So now I am going to separate each twist. And you just want to be extra gentle when you do this so that you do not cause any extra frizz. And it is important that your hair is detangled because if it's not, then that is going to mess up your curl pattern. So just make sure that your hair is nicely detangled before you start the twisting process. Okay, so I'm taking my seamless comb and I'm just fluffing at the roots, and you can do this however long you like. This is optional, so you do not have to do this step. Next, I'm taking my edge booster, edge control, and I'm just sleeking my edges really good. This step is optional as well. You do not have to do this, but I just wanted it to look a little bit more sleek, so that's why I'm taking the time to do it. Okay guys, so we have made it to the end and this is what my definition is looking like. So it's not too bad, not too bad. I'll take it. Of course, you know, shrinkage is real, but hey, we'll take it. Shrinkage means healthy hair. But I will say, since I used gel on this side and not on this side shrunk up more. So this side looks shorter than this side because I used the gel. I don't really think that it made like a huge difference because this side isn't like I thought it would have more frizz, but it's actually fine. So I don't even know if I would have needed the gel on this side. And if you have not already, make sure you go follow me on IG. It's a blast. And we be cutting up over there. So you need to tap in with your girl and go over to my IG. I'll leave it down in the description box so you can hit that link. And if you did enjoy this content, make sure you leave me a comment or smash that thumbs up button so your girl knows if you like the content or not. Plus, it helps out the channel. Thank you guys for watching the video. I appreciate you guys so much. Thank you, thank you, thank you. Again, always be safe, stay hydrated, watch your surroundings, and I will catch you on the next video. Bye.
Bye.